Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of June 2023 for Gemini Ascendant. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of June for all the Gemini Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Sun controls your third house, and right now Sun is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Taurus. Sun will stay in your 12th house till the 15th of June. Then Sun will move to your first house in the sign of Gemini. Third house deal with your younger siblings, your communication, your efforts, your neighbors, your childhood friends, etc. etc. But mainly your communication is seen from third house and your communication skills is seen from third house. 12th house deal with isolation, spirituality, losses, expenses, etc. etc. So we can expect till 15 June you may have lots of effort in anything in regards to your work. Lots of efforts mean you maybe put efforts in something or in your work, but it will not fructify this month because Sun, your third house lord, is moving in your 12th house of losses. After 15 June, when Sun will come to your first house, then we can expect you will put a lot of efforts in your work and it will fructify in the future days. So we can expect good result regarding your third house matter after 15th of June because Sun will be moving in your ascendant. First house deal with your personality, your nature, your health, so etc. etc. All the aspects of your life is seen from first house. So, and whenever Sun is moving in any house, Sun illuminate the significance of that house. So we can expect good result regarding your first house, means your ascendant, and your third house matter after the 15th June. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Mercury control your first house and your fourth house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Aries, where Jupiter and Rahu already moving. Mercury is very important planet for you people because Mercury control your first house, means Mercury is your ascendant lord and controls your fourth house. Fourth house deal with your mother, your emotion, your property matters, your vehicle conveniences, etc. etc. Now the lord of these two houses is moving in 11th house. Mercury just comes out of its retrograde motion on the 14th May. But now Mercury is moving in direct motion in your 11th house. So we can expect you may have some gains related to your 4th house matter. Maybe you will purchase some vehicle or some convenience related items in your homes, or maybe you will get some money related gifts, or at least you may have the emotional happiness during the month of June because your 4th house lord which controls your happiness emotions is moving in your 11th house, and 11th house deal with gains, friend circle, profits, large organization, professional network circle, all the gains we have in life. Large gains is seen from 11th house. So we can expect these results from Mercury till 8th of June. After 8th of June, Mercury will move to your 12th house in the sign of Taurus. After 8 June, when Mercury will move to your 12th house in the sign of Taurus, then we can expect you may have some loss related to your property matters, your vehicle, your emotions, or maybe you may have difficult relationships during the month of June after 8 June with your mother and with your homies, people you are living with, because your 4th house lord will be moving in your 12th house. And as we discussed, Sun will also present here in your 12th house till 15 June, and Mercury will combust till 15 June in your 12th house. So we can expect difficult result after the 8th of June when Mercury will move to your 12th house. So you need to take care of your health because ascendant lord will be moving in your 12th house. 12th house also deal with hospitalizations, health, diseases, laboratories. So we can expect after 8 June you may have some disturbance in your emotions or your health. So you need to take care of these things in the month of June. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of June. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house. And right now Venus is moving in your 2nd house in the sign of Cancer, where Mars is already moving in its debilitation sign. As we discussed, 12th house deal with isolation, losses, expenses, foreign land, spirituality, etc. etc. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship. your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your early childhood education. How good is your learning ability is seen from fifth house. So Lord of these two houses is moving in your fourth house. So we can expect good result regarding Venus in the month of June, because fifth house Lord and your 12th house Lord is moving in your second house, house of wealth. Second house deal with your family, family lineage, family history, your respect, family wealth, your food intake habit, your speeches. So your fifth house Lord is moving in your second house, so we can expect you may have some positive result in the month of June regarding your children's, your early education, or your love relationship. One thing also important to mention here is that Ketu is moving in your fifth house from last year, March 2022. So we can expect feeling difficult result regarding your children's, your early education, your love relationships, because fifth house deal with such things. But regardless of Ketu is moving in your fifth house, we can expect good result regarding your fifth house in the month of June. Venus also controls your 12th house, and 12th house Lord is moving in your second house. As we discussed, 12th house deal with losses, expenses. So maybe you will have the many expenses during the month of June. You may spend a lot on family or family matter on the necessary thing, because your 12th house Lord of expenses and losses, is moving in your second house, where Mars is also present in its debilitation sign. So maybe Mars will push you to spend more money in the month of June, because Mars is weak, and whenever any planet is weak in your second house, it will lose your saving. It will try to lose your savings which you have saved previously from the last 2 and 3 years. So take care of your savings, your money matters. Make your to-do list and expenditure list, so that you will spend money on necessary things only. So we can expect these results in the month of June from Venus. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Moon controls your second house, and right now Moon is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of June, and on the basis of 6th June we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes signs in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon according to every house in monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your birth chart easily. So whenever moon in transit moving from 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect some disturbance, issues and problems in our life, because 6th, 8th and 12th house in astrology considered as naturally malefic house. Somehow problem, difficulties and disturbance are associated with these houses, and moon is very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily from negativity or positivity. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon in transit moving near any naturally malefic planet, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Mars. Whenever moon in transit moving near any of these planets, during these days we can also expect some disturbance, issues, problems in our life. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Mars control your 11th house and your 6th house, and right now Mars is moving in your second house in the sign of Cancer, in its debilitation sign. Means right now Mars is in weak position. As we discussed previously, your 11th house Lord Mars is moving in your second house, and Rahu is already moving in your 11th house. So Mars taking Rahu's energy in your second house, so we can expect you may have some loss related to money during the month of June, especially after the 10th of May, because Mars come here in your second house after the 10th of May. But Mars will stay here in the whole month of June in your second house. So you need to take care of your losses, because money matters house is taking in your 11th house. Maybe someone of your friend may ask you to borrow some money during the month of June, because Lord of Sun Mars controls your 11th house. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional network circle, etc., etc. So Lord of 11th house is moving in second house, so we can expect you may have some loss related to money, or maybe you will lose some money in your savings during the month of June. There are also major important chances that you may have some argument with your family member or the people you love, because second house deal with all the people you love and your family, and Mars, which represent aggression, fights, are moving in your second house in the sign of Cancer. So Mars is very weak here, so you need to take care of these matter in the month of June. So we can expect these results from Mars in the month of June. We will have three major astrological events in the month of June. Number one, Mercury will move from your 11th house to your 12th house on 8th June in on 8th June 2023, as we discussed when we were discussing about Mercury. Second major important astrological event is that Sun will move to your first house after 15th of June in the sign of Gemini, as we discussed when we were discussing about Sun. Third major and important astrological event is that Saturn will turning into its retrograde motion on 18 June and will stay retrograde in your ninth house till 4 of November. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the result of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my playlist of yearly prediction and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of June 2023 for Gemini Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful to you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.